Bell Tower Hostel is situated close to everything you are looking for, pretty quiet location, but very much in the center. We are very easy to find when you arrive in Split. It has been recently refurbished and offers shared kitchen and a common lounge to relax. We are surrounded with restaurants, coffee bars, clothes shopping area, green market, food shops, 24 hours open bakery shop, internet cafes and places where people are having fun in Split. We are located across the street of Hotel Lux, Kralja Zvonimira 6. In our hostel we offer dorm room and private rooms. Shared bathroom facilities. Free Wi-Fi access is available. We are happy to help if you have any questions. Bell Tower Hostel Policies Conditions, Cancellation Policy, 48 hours before arrival. Payment upon arrival by cash. Check-in from 12 o'clock to 23:00, checkout before 10:00, taxes included. Breakfast not included. General reception time from 10:00 to 23:00. No curfew.